This is my home movie. Wow! Look at that! This is crazy. It's like I'm at the beach. Donkey crossing right now. So there's now a big hold up. Wow. 3. My feet hurt. It's crazy. This is my home for night 3. It's out my window! Like, come on. That's insane. We did it! Manaslu base camp. Welcome to Somdo. There's our last town. On our way to the last spot before the paths. Definitely at least 5 years. We made it to Dharamsala.
A couple times a day, you'll have some knowledge. No, of course, it's good.
This is tonight's sleeping quarter. We did it. Down. Yay. I'm very, very proud of myself. Wow. It's giving fall. Blue that river is. He's in charge. We're in Goa, and it's so beautiful here. It's the very last hour of walking. Oh my god, it went so fast. Approaching our very last town on foot.